Welcome back to Bike Review TV. Today, we are taking a detailed look at the 2027 Indian Bharat Samrat Raj auto rickshaw. At first glance, this futuristic auto rickshaw looks completely different from any traditional three-wheeler. Its motorcycle-inspired front design, premium white body, luxury car-style interior, and unique double-floor layout make it one of the most eye-catching concept vehicles. Watch this video until the end because I'll reveal the most surprising feature of this rickshaw that most people don't know. The first thing that grabs your attention is its bold motorcycle-style front. The sharp LED headlight, aggressive front fascia, and modern styling give it a premium road presence. From the front, it looks more like a futuristic motorcycle than a conventional auto rickshaw. Powering this concept is a strong and reliable engine designed to deliver smooth performance for both city streets and longer routes. The vehicle is built to provide a comfortable and confident driving experience while maintaining excellent stability. The driver's cabin has been designed with comfort in mind. A luxury car-style driver's seat provides excellent support, while the modern digital dashboard displays speed and all-important driving information clearly. Every control is placed within easy reach, making the driving experience more convenient. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the spacious luxury car-inspired cabin. Soft premium seats provide outstanding comfort for passengers, making every journey more enjoyable. The interior has been designed to create a premium travel experience unlike a traditional auto rickshaw. The biggest highlight is its double-floor passenger layout. The lower and upper decks both provide comfortable seating, while a strong staircase on one side allows passengers to access the upper floor safely. This unique design gives the vehicle a completely different identity. The roof is equipped with modern solar panels, adding a futuristic touch while enhancing the vehicle's innovative appearance. The strong body structure and premium finish further improve its overall look and durability. Large heavy-duty tires provide excellent road grip and stability. The smart three-wheel design helps maintain balance while giving the rickshaw a bold and modern appearance. The premium white body color makes the vehicle look elegant, futuristic, and highly attractive from every angle. Passenger comfort has also been given special attention. The spacious cabin, comfortable seating, and open layout create a relaxing travel experience for everyone on board. Now it's time for the special reveal promised at the beginning. The greatest strength of the 2027 Indian Bharat Samrat Raj auto rickshaw is not just its futuristic appearance, but the incredible combination of a motorcycle-style front design, luxury car-style interior, double-floor seating layout, solar roof panels, and premium white body. This unique combination makes it stand out from every other auto rickshaw concept. So, what do you think about the 2027 Indian Bharat Samrat Raj auto rickshaw? Let us know your favorite feature in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Review TV for more amazing bike, scooter, and futuristic auto rickshaw reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.